If you are building a powerful gaming PC or upgrading your system for better performance, cooling becomes one of the most important parts of your setup. The Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 Pro 360 is a high-performance, all-in-one CPU liquid cooler designed to keep your processor running at safe temperatures even during heavy gaming, streaming, or editing work. This cooler comes with a large 360mm radiator and three 120mm fans, which means it can handle serious heat without struggling. When your CPU works hard, especially during gaming or rendering, temperatures can rise quickly. A strong cooling system like this helps maintain stable performance and prevents overheating, which also helps protect your system over time. One of the standout features of the Liquid Freezer 3 Pro 360 is its powerful PWM-controlled pump. This smart pump adjusts its speed based on temperature, so it cools more when needed and stays quieter when your system is idle. This balance between performance and noise makes it ideal for gamers and professionals who want a silent but powerful PC. The 38mm thick radiator gives this cooler an extra advantage. Compared to standard radiators, the thicker design improves heat dissipation. This means your CPU can stay cooler even during long gaming sessions or heavy multitasking. Whether you are playing demanding games, editing videos, or running creative software, the cooling performance stays consistent. Another unique feature is the built-in VRM fan. This small fan helps cool the motherboard's power components around the CPU socket. Many coolers ignore this area, but Arctic has designed this model to provide extra airflow where it matters. This can improve overall system stability and performance, especially in high-end builds. Compatibility is also strong. This cooler supports modern AMD sockets like AM5 and AM4, as well as Intel LGA1851 and the newer LGA1851. It also includes a contact frame for Intel processors, which helps improve mounting pressure and heat transfer. This results in better cooling efficiency and a more secure installation. The design is clean and professional, with a sleek black finish that fits well in almost any gaming or workstation setup. The three fans provide strong airflow while maintaining a modern, balanced look inside your PC cabinet. Overall, the Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 Pro 360 is built for people who want powerful cooling, quiet performance, and long-term reliability. With its large radiator, smart pump, VRM cooling support, and wide compatibility, it is a strong choice for gamers, content creators, and PC enthusiasts who want their system to stay cool under pressure.